Okay guys, so in this video we're gonna take down the hammock. Say hi, Nelly.
Hi.
It's very simple. Hopefully you saw the other video. Just undo the carabiner, drop the tether, rope, whatever you've got, come over to the other end. Same thing. Super simple. Now obviously every hammock isn't gonna be the exact same, but the principle is the same. You've got two ends. You've got two ropes or two pieces of strap, whatever you want to call them. And then that's it, guys. I mean, seriously, look at how fast it is. Takes no time. The hardest part is finding the spot, hopefully you can see, and then finding the trees. You need a pretty good distance. That's what I wanted to try and show you. This is probably 15 feet in between these trees. I'm not going to bore you with packing this up, but what's cool about all these is they come with a little stuff sack built onto it. So then just stuff it in there and then you're done. That's how you take down a hammock. Hopefully you can see my head. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.